Hi, welcome to new CNC channel. This time I'm gonna show how to make auto stamp using Microsoft Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and then create oval, press Shift. Don't forget to make same proportion and then choose Shape Fill in the Format tab and select New Fill, and please copy this shape and then paste in the center, or you can do this by click shift and click this two shape and change align to center and align middle like this, and select one oval and press Ctrl plus Shift. Okay, Ctrl plus Shift to make a resize width in center of one of shape like this. Okay, let's double click this to drag more wider space in here. Okay, let's copy this again. From the outside I will place in center. Okay, please same, we can using middle or align center because we have three oval here, and then click Ctrl plus Shift button and then make your oval is larger like this. For example, this is will fill with news ENC channel. Okay, let's block with Ctrl plus A button or Ctrl plus A button. We choose this text and I make this bold. You can change in the format, text effect, transform. Now you can using full pad like this. And the number second, we can copy the shape again and paste, and we can center again in here. Okay, I'm sorry, it's better we don't using outside because we have text in here. Okay, we will copy in the inside. Okay, then we can just Ctrl plus Shift and make this bigger. Sorry, we can make this position is same, and then Ctrl plus Shift to make this bigger. Okay, let's edit text in here. This is good channel. Let's block again and change the text with bold, and we can select format text effect, and for transform we can choose this. Okay, now click plus Ctrl plus Shift button and drag until you think the text is good. Okay, until the text position is good, we can make this bigger again for font. For knowing where is the text, you can just right click and edit text. This is a good channel. So for this, yeah, this is make bigger like this. Okay, and then you can suitable text position with just click red dot in here can make text good position with each other like this. Okay, now I want also to make the outside text. Okay, I think it's enough. And then we can just make the text is same proportion. Sorry. Hmm? Okay, I think it's enough. And then we can add the rectangle in here. Same with just now we do. Shape fill, click new fill, and right click edit text like this. Good job, for example. Okay, let's make font not white. Good job. I want to using Arial Black. Hit enter and then click full. Arial Black, bold, and then I want to make this bigger. Sorry, I don't want enter space in here. Okay. Like this. Now we can using insert again to make this outline like this. Okay, we select shape outline and select width and change the color you want, for example, and then copy this and place in the other side like this. And you can select the center text, select shape outline and no outline like this, and you can place your text match with the other side like this. Now you can just click in here and select shape outline, no outline. Same with this shape outline, select no outline like this. Change this shape outline to same color with text, also this outline like this. Now I say in the first video we make a auto stem, so we can just make this text above, text center, I'm sorry, this is text above, text center, and text below, like the text below. I want to make this bigger, and then using double quotes like this, I want to make news PNC channel, and for center text, good job, and the text below is this is good channel, like this. Now we can just delete this text and please select this with equal like this and choose the CNC channel. Also for a good job, let's delete this and then select good job in here And for this is cut channel, we can just right click to certain. Okay, I delete this and change the text with this is cut channel like this. Okay, and the above text is I'm sorry. Okay, now we click this and then make font bigger. Okay, I think is 30. Okay, for example like this. Now you can block all of this in the select objects like this. Certain if this is active with orange background in here, and then you can select all of shape in here and then right click, choose group. Okay, now disable select object and you can move uh, this stem in anywhere you want, and you can change the text for you want. For example like this. Okay, you can suitable the center of text by clicking red dot in here. Okay, you can ungroup and change this text with uh, position like this. Okay, that's all tutorial how to make auto stamp using Microsoft Excel. If any question, you can fill in the comment section. Thanks for watching and bye bye.